Welcome back to another episode of Jungbub Talk. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, especially for those of us stepping into adulthood. How much should we save from our paycheck?
Right. We often hear about saving a portion of your salary, but how much is actually appropriate, especially in today's world? I feel like it's a bit more complex than just stashing away 30% and calling it a day.
Absolutely. The old school rule of saving 30% of your income seems solid, but it might not be the best approach right now. The thing is, saving money just for the sake of saving it doesn't necessarily benefit us in the long run.
Yeah, that sounds a bit counterintuitive, doesn't it? Saving is supposed to be a smart move, but it feels like if you save too much, you're just holding yourself back from living. What's the balance?
That's where things get tricky. If you focus too much on saving and live minimally, you might avoid immediate financial struggles, but you'll miss out on important experiences. You won't be enriching yourself mentally, emotionally, or even physically. You need a balance.
So, you're saying that saving can be detrimental if you're not also investing in your personal growth, like eating well, learning new things, and engaging in enriching experiences?
Exactly. You can't just stockpile money and expect it to secure your future. For example, if you only save and never indulge in things like proper nutrition or cultural experiences like going to an opera or visiting a museum, you're actually setting yourself up for a weakened mind and body.
That's a bit wild to think about. Saving could literally affect your ability to think and succeed in the future. But then how much should we actually be saving? What's a healthy amount?
A good starting point might be 10-15%, enough to create a safety net, but not so much that you're depriving yourself of life's essentials. It's all about having enough saved to handle unexpected events, but still living fully and engaging with life.
So this isn't about being a savings king, but more about saving with a purpose. Having a reserve for emergencies, while still investing in yourself. I get that. It sounds like the key here is not to go into debt or overextend, but also to not overdo the savings part.
Exactly. And if you're putting all your energy into saving for the future, say for a house, you might be missing the point. You won't have the energy or clarity to succeed in life if you're mentally and physically drained. A home might come eventually, but you need to be healthy, capable, and well-rounded first.
I totally see that. And the risks of focusing too much on saving for things like a house or retirement are real. There are so many cases where people who saved a lot ended up losing it all. Like imagine lending money to a friend who then tragically passes away, or someone borrowing money and never paying it back. It can all disappear in the blink of an eye.
That's a sobering thought, but it's a reality. If you save too much for the future, you might just find that the future isn't as predictable as you think. The law of nature operates in ways we can't always control, and sometimes life throws curveballs that can wipe out all that savings.
And it's not just about money either, right? If you're investing in your own personal growth, mentally and physically, then the rewards will come back to you. A well-rounded, healthy, and skilled individual is always in demand. Money will follow that, not the other way around.
Exactly. Saving a little for emergencies is fine, but the real investment is in yourself. Learn, grow, take care of your body, and have experiences that broaden your mind. The money will come as a result of becoming a person who is needed by society, not someone who's just stockpiling cash for an uncertain future.
So in a way, saving for your future isn't about hoarding money, but about ensuring that you have the strength and skills to thrive no matter what comes your way.
Right? If you invest in becoming the best version of yourself, the future will take care of itself. A strong mind and body are your true assets. The more you develop yourself, the more you'll be able to live confidently and attract the wealth and opportunities you deserve.
It's all about the quality of your life now, not just waiting for the perfect moment in the future. That really changes the way we should think about saving.
Definitely. So, young adults, don't get too caught up in saving to accumulate wealth. Invest in your growth and let the money follow your success. Don't waste your youth worrying about an uncertain future. Instead, Focus on becoming someone who is truly indispensable to the world around you.
I love that. It really shifts the mindset from fear of the future to confidence in the present. So, for everyone listening, save a bit for emergencies, but spend most of your energy on becoming a well rounded, thriving individual. The future will thank you.
Absolutely. Let's stop obsessing over savings and start obsessing over growth. That's the real key to success.
Couldn't agree more. And with that, we'll wrap up this episode of Young Bub Talk. Stay tuned for the next one, where we'll continue to dive deeper into this topic.
Thanks for tuning in, and remember, invest in yourself.
See you next time.